Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an avocado blind bag. First, gather your materials. You'll need green, brown, and yellow felt. Also, grab some sharp scissors, fabric glue, and a marker. Don't forget the small toys or treats you want to hide inside. This project is super fun and easy, perfect for a quick craft session. Let's get started on creating your adorable surprise. Now, let's start cutting. Take your green felt and cut out 2 identical avocado shapes. These will form the outer shell. Next, from the brown felt, cut a smaller round shape for the pit. Then, grab your yellow felt and cut a wavy, irregular shape to represent the avocado's creamy flesh. Finally, glue this yellow flesh piece onto one of your green avocado shapes. With your yellow flesh in place, position the brown pit on top of it. Now, take your second green avocado shape and carefully align it with the first. Apply fabric glue along the edges, pressing them together firmly. Remember to leave a small opening at the top of the avocado. This will be where you insert your surprise. Let the glue dry completely before moving to the next step. It's time for the fun part. Gently insert your chosen surprise item, like a small toy or candy, into the opening you left. Once your surprise is inside, apply a bit more fabric glue to seal the remaining gap. Press firmly and allow the glue to dry completely. Your adorable avocado blind bag is now ready to be gifted. For more great finds, including Little Tree's black ice, check the description for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.